How's it going? My name is Sean. I'm an assistant manager here at Belle Tire, and today we're going to be discussing a winter emergency kit for your vehicle. With wintertime approaching, it's important to have some safety items in the car, such as water. You must stay hydrated. Matches, just in case you have to light a small fire. Windshield scraper. You want to take that ice off, but you also want to have some de-icer. The de-icer is going to make it a lot easier for you. It's also important to keep the snow off your car during a heavy storm. Reason being is because the tow truck may need to see you. You also want to have some food. You might be out there a long time. It's important to stay nourished. That way you don't get hangry. Some other essential safety items to keep in the vehicle. You want to keep lights in the vehicle. You also want to keep gloves. You want to keep your hands warm at all times. You also want to keep blankets. The more the better. The most important item to keep in your vehicle is your Roadside Emergency Kit. It's going to have your road flares and also your jumper cables, just in case you get caught stuck on the side of the road. You might be wondering why there's kitty litter in the back of your car. Kitty litter is essential to provide traction for your tires in case you get stuck. I hope these tips were helpful. I sincerely hope you drive safe this winter. And if you need anything, come see us at Belle Tire.